one particular area they have one from BJP, one from Congress, one from NC, one from PDP, and out of all those, the majority of the votes whichever party will get, that will be chosen as a MLA, clear, of that particular area. Now in states, it is a MLA who represents the people. For example, if we have any sort of matter, then we have to convey this to the MLA, who will further convey it to the higher authorities. Next is how a chief MLA becomes a chief minister. Again, one more question that you all must know. So the chief minister, he has been elected by all the MLAs, and whoever will get maximum votes among all the MLAs, that person out of that party, the chief minister will be chosen. For example, in the legislative assembly, we have two parties. One is ruling party, another is the opposition party. The ruling party is the party which gets maximum amount of votes, and the minority group which does not or fails to get maximum amount of votes, they are the opposition party. Now what happens that like I said, when the voting has been done among all the ruling and the opposition parties, so the ruling party who gets the majority of votes, it automatically rules or it automatically wins. So members among the ruling party choose the leader, elect a leader who becomes the chief minister. Clear? Next, you can see this picture here. What is going on? It is basically a debate, a session is going on in the legislative assembly. Now you all must be thinking about the term legislative assembly that ma'am is repeating again and again. What is legislative assembly? So legislative assembly is basically an assembly where people from or MLAs from all the political parties come together, sit and discuss all the matters regarding their areas of concern, and also they do the debate part also in these legislative assemblies. This is also one of the pictures. A debate is going on in the legislative assembly. A debate means when a person or the MLA or the minister, what he does, he puts all his points of concern in front of everybody sitting there, and in response to that, everybody has a right to question the fact about what this minister is talking about in the debate. Next, we have a legislative assembly.